Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Obviously still, background is still, but that's fine. We're gonna do a home decor haul today. I know, I actually have enough home decor thrifted stuff. I'm gonna start off with these shelves. These are actually baskets, but I thought that these could look really cool as a shelf. Do you guys like the shelf up there? I'm trying to decide if I do or not. If I do, I obviously have to move the brackets closer together to leave it up there. I'm not in love with these brackets though. I think I'd get new brackets. These were $3.99 each, so quite a good deal I think for a basket that's this big. If I don't use it for a shelf up there, I think I'm gonna just put them under I have this like day bed from Urban Outfitters, but it's actually a glorified dog bed. So thinking I could just put them under there and store like socks and underwear in them or something like that. The next item I got was this. And it was actually 99 cents, an amazing deal. I thought that this would look really nice on my vanity just to store like my rings and my necklaces in. I don't have a whole bunch because I don't wear a lot of jewelry, but I thought that they would look really nice in this, and for 99 cents, a steal. I was just about to say my favorite thing from this home decor haul is this, but then I realized I was like, oh no, I like everything in this. I can't even actually pick a favorite. You guys have probably seen a picture of these on my Instagram. I got a set of 4 mugs, so they look like this. I got the set for $6.99. I really like the shape of them and I really like the color. It's kind of this like marbleized speckled cream. I thought that this could look really cool in like, I don't know, an Instagram photo. It's also like a really good handle just to like grab them. If you can't tell already, I really like this wicker kind of look, so I ended up getting this guy. Has a lid, kind of stays on there because he's got this little, I just always have such a hard time with styling like knick-knacky things, so I figured it wouldn't hurt to just get it. I'm sure I'll find a use for it. $2.99. This stuff is always super cheap. I also got this bowl, which right now it just holds all of my like receipts in for my taxes. Oh gosh, this is not all my receipts. This is just like from the last couple days. I like this side better than anything. The other side has this like thing on it, which I didn't really notice until I got up to the cash, but that's okay. You can't see it if you just go like this. And I really like that it's kind of like imperfectly shaped, so I was thinking maybe we could put it back there. This is what the inside looks like. It's also kind of neat. This guy was also really cheap. I think it was like $2.99. Okay, one more small thing that I got and then we get into the big, I ended up getting this guy. I wanted a vase in this amber color really badly, and I had been searching for so long. I feel like when I started searching for it is when I couldn't find them. I feel like I saw them so much before. And this was a little bit expensive because I got it from an antique mall. I think it was about $14.99. If you're wondering about these are from the backyard. In my hastiness, I forgot to show you guys this. So this is basically like a step stool, so to speak. I'm using it as an end table, but I got this for 20 bucks at an antique shop. So basically I just kind of put it beside my bed like such, and then I can just use it to like, put my journal on, anything like that. I totally forgot to show you guys this, probably because I was using it to hold a vase in the video, but I thought I would include this anyways because it was such a good deal. The last thing I have to show you, I can't actually hold up because it is so ginormous, and this isn't necessarily thrifting. I don't know. Well, how do you guys like consider like Kijiji and like Craigslist and stuff like that? I still think it's thrifting because it's, it's essentially you just don't have that store that you're going to. So I ended up getting this chair. This chair was $20. $20, you guys. It actually is like a rocker. It came with 2 cushions that were the most hideous things ever, so I just took them off. I'm still obviously in the hunt to get some good cushions for it, but trust me, they were like the worst floral you've ever seen. So it is a rocker. It is so comfortable. I think it looks really good in my room. For some reason, I was like, hey, this chair must be broken, because online, everyone else was selling these chairs for about like $100, $150, and this one person was selling it for 20, and I was like, yep. That's mine, Oaks. That's mine. So that is my thrifted homeware haul. I'm really excited about all of the items I got. I think I say that in every video, but I am. Like, I think all of them are really good pieces. Let me know down below what you think of this guy up here. Should he stay? Should he go? I was thinking I could always like take a hat and like mount it on the wall there. Still in the designing phase. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.